Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I'm here for another video. I just wanted to make this a short video because I just wanted to talk about the new Power Lead System sales funnel that we have. I am going through the training tonight. I have already started going through it. And guys, all the training that you need to build your Power Lead System business is this training is really going to help you excel and build that business in Power Lead System, or any business or anything that you want to market or promote in the future. There's so much, there's a gold mine of training in there, and it's all coming from someone who's been very successful in Power Lead System and who has built his own brand and social distribution, because you're going to learn about social media can't even talk right now. Social media distribution, how to distribute your business through social media. He's going to go through all kinds of other ways that you can build your business, and also in the sales funnel, you're going to have the tools necessary to promote Power Lead System. We have a full presentation right at the beginning that you want to make sure you watch the whole thing, and make sure you don't skip anything in this sales funnel. You want to take all the advice that we give you in this funnel and start implementing it, and you'll find that even in the sales funnel, I know I'm going to be doing a video coming soon about the income potential in Power Lead System, but we're in this presentation, there's visuals and all kinds of stuff to show you what is possible and what you can make in Power Lead System, whether it's a full-time or part-time income. Either way, the income that you can make can really be a life-changing thing for you. And I hope you'll join me in this opportunity. It's one of the best opportunities out there. It's been around since 2013. And the company behind Power Lead System has been around since the 90s. So they do have a track record of success, and I really hope you join me. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do with this video. It's going to be a very short video. I just wanted to talk to you guys. Make sure you click the link in the description below, and make sure you also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new content. So I hope you guys will join me. If not, that's great too, but you're going to be missing out on an awesome opportunity, and I'll be happy to be working with you, and see you guys, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye.